Do some people really have a 10-inch one? And does a 10-inch satisfy better compared to a 4-inch? This is a question that many people have in their minds, and every day I receive messages about this on Instagram. So in today's video, I will talk to you about this in detail. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Faithful Bond, the place where we talk about married life, intimate relationships, and Islamic guidance. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. My effort through these videos is always to answer your questions and clear up the many misconceptions people have about sexual health, because for many, talking openly about it is not easy. If you're new here, please subscribe and share this video with as many people as possible. Now let's talk about whether a 10-inch really exists. The average penis size of an Indian man is between 5 to 6 inches. If your size is anywhere between 4.5 to 6 inches, it is completely normal. When it comes to having children, enjoying intimacy, or any other matters, this size causes absolutely no problem. The real issue is the false beliefs spread in the market, which scare young boys at an early age. For example, certain film scenes or comments by peers make them insecure about their size, and then they begin searching for unrealistic solutions. The truth is, size is not something that deserves so much importance. If your technique is good, if you understand love and intimacy, and if you are willing to learn and explore new ways with your partner, that is more than enough. Never approach intimacy with fear or insecurity. What if the size is larger? Even if your size is 6 or 7 inches, there is no need to worry. But remember, a woman's vagina is most sensitive only up to 2.5 to 3 inches deep. Beyond that, a larger size does not add pleasure, instead it can cause pain and actually reduce satisfaction. In some cases, very large size may even cause cervical pain or vaginal irritation. Those who watch pornography think that bigger is everything, but this is only an illusion. In reality, intimacy is much more complex and very different from what is shown in those videos. Bigger size can even create confidence issues. Some men do not feel comfortable with their own body, and this affects their relationship with their partner, causing unnecessary pressure and difficulties. The most important thing to understand is this: awareness matters more than size. Effort matters more than size. Knowledge of positions and techniques matters more than size. Every person is different, and there is no single standard for everyone. In summary, size is really not everything. Correct technique, knowledge, and mutual understanding are what truly matter. There is no need to worry about being too big or too small. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. And write your questions and thoughts in the comments below. For more knowledge and guidance, stay connected with the Faithful Bond. Allah Hafiz.